Have you ever wondered what's really in a glass of water? Not just dirt or sediment, something far smaller, far older, and alive. Even water that looks clear can hide microscopic creatures, bacteria, protozoa, and other microorganisms teeming beyond the reach of our eyes. Some of these organisms are harmless, but others can cause illness. To drink safely, we must treat water, either by boiling or filtering, before it reaches our lips. A single drop of untreated tap water is enough to reveal a hidden world. Gently placed onto a clean glass slide, microorganisms appear and life emerges. At 100 times magnification, tiny swimmers move with purpose. At 400 times, cell structures and flagella become visible, reminding us that life persists even in treated water. Boiled water tells a different story. Many harmful microorganisms are neutralized, leaving mostly harmless forms behind. Filtered water also shows a safer profile, removing bacteria, debris, and protozoa while keeping the water clear. Tap water without treatment, however, teems with diversity, some harmless, some dangerous, demonstrating why hygiene matters. Every droplet of unsafe water carries risk. Every droplet of treated water carries life safely. When we understand this hidden world, we realize boiling or filtering water is not optional. It is essential for health. So the next time you pour a glass of water, remember, it is not just H2O. It can carry life or danger. Boil or filter first. Stay safe. This is water, small enough to seem harmless, powerful enough to affect life.